Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to tell you about how to use handphone. And before I explain further, I will to unboxing this handphone. Check it out. Yes. Pull this box. Before I explain, turn on this handphone in the right side. This handphone has some button, and I will explain the function of this button. In the left side is volume. You can up this voice, press the top and press this down for low voice. In the right side is power button. You can on or off this handphone, press this button. We can open this handphone with this button too, like this. And this is a home button. You can back for application with this. In above is camera, and this is a volume and charge. Handphone is telecommunication device that can be anything. Example, chatting, calling, playing games, browsing, camera, and many more. Handphone is very useful. Okay guys, let's run this application. Firstly, WhatsApp. Press this logo WhatsApp. We can chatting or calling people with this application. If boring, we can watching videos with the YouTube application. There are many videos in here, and we can watching anything. Example, Politeknik, music, and many more. Oh, this battery is low. Let's to charge this handphone, and then we also browsing internet with Chrome application. In Google, we can searching, can listen to music with the Spotify application. Press this Spotify. This application, we can just looking for the artist name. Example, Rich Brian. Okay guys, this video is finished. Conclusion this video is handphone is very important for our lives. Many applications in handphone that can be help for us. Okay. Thank you for watching video.